Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for your kitchen organization, the Yivinow 3-in-1 Wrap Organizer with Cutter. Now, let me start by saying, if you're tired of cluttered countertops and fumbling through drawers to find your plastic wrap or aluminum foil, then this is the solution you've been waiting for. This right here is the best magnetic wrap dispenser you can get your hands on, and I'm about to tell you why. First off, versatility. This organizer isn't just for your plastic wrap or aluminum foil. It's a triple threat. It can hold one roll of plastic wrap, one roll of aluminum foil or parchment paper, and another roll of kitchen paper towels. Talk about convenience, am I right? And check out this safety slide cutter. It's built-in, sharp, and durable, ensuring you get a straight cut every time without risking any injuries to your hands. Plus, it's compatible with various types of wraps, including wax paper, cling wrap, tin foil, parchment paper, and more. Now, let's talk about that magnetic design. The bottom of this organizer has a powerful magnet, making it easy to attach to metal surfaces like your fridge. No more clutter on your countertops. Simply stick it to your fridge for easy access whenever you need it. And with the two hooks on the back, you can even hang it on the wall for added convenience. But wait, there's more. This wrap organizer is made of premium ABS material, ensuring durability and longevity. It's designed to accommodate refill rolls with specific dimensions, so you can keep using it for years to come. And let's not forget about customer service. Yivinow stands behind their product and offers excellent after-sales service. If you ever encounter any issues, they've got your back. So there you have it, folks. The Yivinow 3-in-1 Wrap Organizer with Cutter. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to convenience and organization. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on must-have products. Until next time, happy organizing!